Hi guys, my name is Jennifer and I'm here to talk to you about something that I am very passionate about. It's something that I like to spend a lot of my free time doing, and that is volunteering. One of the things that I did want to speak to you specifically about is volunteering for an organization called Meals on Wheels. Some of you may have heard of it, some of you may have not. So this organization is specific to providing meals to senior citizens in your community who may not have the ability to be able to travel to a food store to be able to prepare meals for themselves. This is a great way for you to be able to volunteer your time to provide food to these senior citizens, be able to spend a little bit of time with them, and just overall give back to your community. That is our overall goal here. We want to be able to communicate with the people in our community, give back to them, and make them feel good about themselves as well as you feel good about yourself. So Meals on Wheels is an organization that is offered throughout the entire United States. Pretty much any state that you live in, any community that you live in, you are able to find a Meals on Wheels organization that you can volunteer through. This is something that you can work on during your lunch break. You can do it in the morning. You can do it in the evening. They will work with you and your schedule. So that way, if it's something that you want to volunteer for fun, or it's something that you need to complete a specific volunteer amount of hours for your job, or some people need to complete volunteer hours for school to graduate, this is a great way to be able to do that. They're flexible. It's easy to get those hours in. And again, as I stated before, it's just a great way to communicate with your community, to get involved with your community, and just be able to give back to them. So some statistics that I wanted to be able to provide you guys with Meals on Wheels, and this is information that was pulled right from their website. So they state that millions of volunteers enable 225 million meals to be delivered to 2.4 million seniors each year. They also state that 59% of home delivered meal recipients are 75 years of age or older. So as you can see, these are a lot of senior citizens that are not capable of getting these meals on their own. So they need our help. They need us to be able to reach out and provide for them. They also like our company. They like us to be able to spend a few minutes and associate with them, have some conversation with them, maybe bring a meal for yourself, make conversation and just have fun with them. They enjoy our time. So if you were to go to helpguide.org, they provide you with some ways that volunteering makes us feel happier and healthier. So, we always hear about diet and exercise and what we can do to become healthier, make us feel better. It's not just about the diet and exercise. It's also about volunteering. Volunteering will make you feel better. It will make you a healthier person. So ways that that'll happen is volunteering helps you connect with others. You're going and you're having conversations with these people. It's good for your mind and for your body. You're opening up, you're learning new things. You can also advance your career. Again, as I mentioned before, some of your colleges require you to have volunteer hours in order to graduate. Some of your jobs require you to do some volunteer work. This is an easy way to get that done. And last but not least, it brings fun and fulfillment to your life. We all get a good laugh when we listen to senior citizens talk. They've been around for a long time. They have some good stories to share. Let them share that information with you. So in conclusion, there are a couple things that I just want to touch base on again. Give back to your community. They've been around for a long time. They've provided for you, especially for us youngins. We want to provide back to them. We want to show them that we appreciate everything that they have done for us. It's also important, we want to make everybody around us feel good. Everybody around us feeling good makes us feel good about ourselves. it just makes the world a better place, right? Everybody's happy, no more fighting in the world, right? So, and then as I mentioned before too, with Meals on Wheels, and not just with Meals on Wheels, with any volunteer organization, you can dedicate as much or as little time as you'd like. These volunteer organizations want your help. Most of them are not going to fight you on how much time you have available. They want your help. They need your help. They will take as much time as you have to give. So do what you can. Help as much as you can. Help wherever you can. Doesn't matter how old you are. It doesn't matter what your limitations are. There is an organization out there for you to be able to give back. Go on the internet. Check in your local community centers. There is always something that you can do to help, and it doesn't require any money for you to help. A lot of these organizations are free. So I hope I helped you. I hope I inspired you, and I hope you all have a pleasant day.